If I saw one of the Chumash dancers, I'd probably poop myself. What? All right, Jake. There's Uncle Bodes. And there's Jaron. You. What's up, dude? Boo. He's ready to go on a hike. You warming up now, Jaron? Nope. No, still cold? All right, good morning, folks. We're here in Frazier Park hiking Mount Pinos. And it's, what's the day? August? No, October. We're in October. And we got a little heat spell down in the valley. Figured to be nice and toasty, and it will be in the afternoon, but it's like 50 degrees, so we're a little bit cold. We got Bodes and his boy Jaron came prepared from Utah with a long sleeve. Oh wait, no long sleeve shirts, because they came to California expecting heat. Now we're here kind of freezing our buns off a little bit. Yeah, it's only 50, but still. Anyways, we're gonna hike up to Mount Pinos and maybe Sawmill if Jaron's tough enough. We know Uncle Bodes could barely make it, but anyways, should be a good day.
No, we saw binoculars and spotted fish.
Marker. It's on the sign. Oh.
There's the thing, and the sign is. You. I can't see your face, Jaron. There you go. Good job, dude.
Did you do a video?
It's filming. It's been filming the whole time.
Oh, good talk. Jeez.
Oh yeah? I wouldn't mind seeing one of these. That's a California condor. That'd be pretty cool.
Those are free game.
I want to see that.
If I saw one of the Chumash dancers, I'd probably poop myself. What? I'd be looking out for the hunting warrior, Chumash warrior, hiding in the trees. So, all right, you ready, Jaron?
Oh, he's just laying brick. He's gonna have
That's not very nice.
No, he's gonna have like some voodoo on him now.
Yeah. Mr. Chief Two Taint's gonna haunt you in your dreams tonight.
Stop. I don't need any bad juju on it. We'll get it.
I don't want this to think that he fall down.
Look up here, Jaron. Did you hear that? Oh, I guess they could have walked out here. No. Just stay on the trail, kid. You'll be fine. Jaron is asking if we're turning around yet, but then he's running down the trail, so I'd say it's more boredom than anything. Yeah, you wouldn't see me running at this point. Look at that guy go. Look at him go.
There's the big wapiti.
Hey, Jaron. Fist bumps for making it to Sawmill. Yeah. You. All right. Put your hand on the camera so you can officially say you made it. Push it over. Okay.
I'm just kidding. On purpose. The camera's.
All right, Jaron, Jake, Todd, it's touch and poles time. Woo!
Feels so